Haitian Heritage Month, I am going to make Jus Manyòk. Let me show you guys what you'll need. Here I have a quarter of a teaspoon of almond extract, it's once blown. I have vanilla extract, a teaspoon of that, 1 can of carnation milk, and of course the star, 1 yuca, and I'm going to use about 10 inches of it. You don't have to use all of it, but I'm just going to boil up the whole thing. A teaspoon of salt, a quarter cup of sugar, and you can add more, 1 piece of star anise, and you're going to need 1 stick of cinnamon stick. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so first you want to start by cutting the ends of your manyòk or your yuca. It's pretty tough to really get in there. Okay, throw that away. So I'm going to cut mine in 3 pieces. Okay, so for the first piece, you pretty much want to score it down with the tip of your knife, and then take the knife right here, and then just get under the skin and start peeling. Okay, you guys see this purple layer? You want to peel, make sure that's peeling off as well. Okay, this one came out super easy. Alright, so now I have my 3 pieces of manyòk here. You want to give them a quick rinse, and then I'm going to show you guys my next step. Alright guys, so here I have a pot of water. You're going to turn your heat on low for now. I'm going to add my yuca, the cinnamon, and the anise. I'm going to throw that in there, and your salt. Sprinkle that in there. And turn it on medium low and let this boil for about 20 to 30 minutes or until for tender. And then after it finish boiling and it's cooked, you want to take it out, set it aside in a bowl, and let it cool down. Alright guys, so now my manyòk or my yuca has cooled down. You want to try to split it, and inside you're going to see a stem, like a hard stem. You want to make sure you take all the stem out from the middle. It's like the woody stem. And make sure that it's completely cooled down. Alright, so let me show you guys the next step. Alright guys, so you're going to need a blender. So in my blender, I already have about 10 pieces of ice, 10 ice cubes. Now you're going to add your yuca. Now once you add your manyòk, you're going to want to add your milk, your sugar, vanilla extract, almond extract, and then we're going to blend this on high. I'm going to blend mine on the smoothie setting. Okay guys, so I blended this for about 1 minute. It looks so smooth and creamy. Now I'm gonna pour this in my glass. Look at that. Nice and creamy. Okay. Put my straw in. And it's done! Alright guys, so again, this is the final product. It looks so good. I'm actually going to try it on camera. creamy, has a perfect amount of sugar. You might want to add more or less, but it's so good, and this will fill you up, trust me. And it reminds me of back home. This is delicious, and you guys must try it. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching Cooking with Mimi. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and hit that bell.